Okay, this is the elevator here at the Philadelphia Centurion Lounge. Terminal A West. She wasn't planning on filming this, but saw there's nobody here for a change. Let's go to M. Be a bottom drive. Get the box now. That's it.